Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Peacock Way. In this project, I'm going to be using some of my jelly printing papers, which I did this ahead. I'm going to use this 6 by 6 watercolor book. Um, and then I'm going to now tear the edges of those jelly print paper. Some of the papers I used in this are like rice paper, and some are like regular printing paper. If you want me to show you how I did this jelly printing, let me know in the comments. Um, then now I'm going to tear all those edges so that it's easier for me to take the side of the jelly printing paper and then add in this project. So now I'm going to take all these. Now I'm going to tear some of those pages and then I'm adding in this project. Then I'm using glue. um, these are my old Joanne Fabrics glue. I'm going to stick this and then see what color matches to that, and I'm going to tear that side. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below, and also share it with your friends. So I'm going to now use my mark making paper. I just used like a pen and did some mark making on that, and it's more like a tissue paper. Sometimes using gel medium is better. Sometimes even glue is good. So it depends on whatever you guys like it. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the different side. If you feel like I'm doing it very slow, you can speed it up and watch it. I'm just trying to see where I can add the color and mix it with the background. You just have to play with it and keep going. Now I'm using this jelly print paper. So I'm using now a little bit of neocolor crayons, and then I'm going to add those colors and blend it. So I'm using different colors of neocolor crayon, and then I'm going to use the brush and blend it. Now I'm going to use some text stamp. This stamp is like from Amazon, so I will put it in the description box. Then I'm adding some different grungy stamps in this. Now I'm adding white gel pen, and then I'm doing some mark making. Then I'm going to use a different pen and do, it's like a, brown color pen, and I'm doing the mark making. Then I'm going to see what else I can do. So I'm using black neocolor crayon and do some scribbling in the background. Then I'm going to use some of these number stamp. This stamp is from Sizzix, and then now I'm thinking what else I can do to make it interesting. Then I'm going to just use like a different color from the neocolor crayon and use it for splattering on the top. before I finish this project. So now I'm going to finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.